Polls are meant to give us a snapshot of how Jamaicans are feeling at a certain point in time. But are they really accurate? Or are they just educated guesses? In this video, we're going to break down how polls actually works, who the main pollsters are in Jamaica, what the numbers really mean, and why polls should always be taken with caution. At the end of the day, the only poll that truly matters is the one held on election day when people vote. Now, what are polls? A poll is basically a survey. Instead of asking every Jamaican what they think, pollsters ask a smaller group of people and then use those answers to estimate what the entire country might feel. Why not ask everyone? Because it's not realistic. Jamaica has millions of people, and you can't call or visit all of them. So pollsters use a sample. The idea is if the sample is chosen properly, it should reflect the larger population. But here's where it gets tricky. No sample is perfect. That's where something called the margin of error comes in. Let's break that down simply. Suppose a poll shows that Party A has 35% support. If the margin of error is plus or minus 3%, then Party A's real support could be anywhere from 32% to 38%. It means the number isn't exact. It's an estimate with wiggle room. And if Party B is polling at, say, 34%, you can't really say which party is ahead. They're statistically tied. So polls don't give a precise number. They give a range. That's why it's important not to treat one poll as absolute truth. The important thing is that a poll is just a snapshot. It tells you how people felt when the questions were asked. Feelings can and do change quickly. That's why pollsters like Anderson say trends are more reliable than one-off polls. Now, here's the key question. Why can't polls always be trusted? The answer is polls can be useful, but they can't be fully trusted. They're a tool. They give us insight into the public. They help us see trends. They spark debate, but they don't predict the future with 100% accuracy. Jamaica has seen elections where polls looked one way, but the results surprised people to another way. That's not because the polls were fake. It's because polls measure intention, not action. At the end of the day, the only poll that counts is the actual election. That's when every registered voter who shows up has a say. Everything before that is just research.